1 bowl Chewy double chocolate chip cookies recipe. Yield 10 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 50 minutes. Total time 60 minutes. Ingredients: 1/2 cup 105 grams refined coconut oil, packed, not melted. 2/3 cup 140 grams brown sugar, packed. 3 tablespoons 45 milliliters maple syrup. 1/2 cup 125 milliliters plant milk. 1/3 cup 35 grams cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters pure vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon espresso powder or instant coffee granules, optional. 1 teaspoon 4 grams baking powder. 3/4 teaspoon 3 grams baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 cups 250 grams all-purpose flour. 1 cup 150 grams dairy-free dark chocolate, chopped. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 350 F, 180 C2. Using a fork, cream together the coconut oil and brown sugar in a large bowl. Then add the maple syrup and mix until well combined. Add the milk, cocoa powder, vanilla, and instant coffee granules, whisking until combined. Then add the baking powder, baking soda and salt and again whisk until well combined. If the mixture looks clumpy, it's okay. Note: if the temperature is warm where you are, you may want to consider chilling this mixture in the fridge for 30 minutes to firm up, otherwise the cookies flatten and spread too much when baking in the oven. 3. Add the flour to the bowl and stir until just combined, do not overstir. Then gently fold in the chopped chocolate. 4. Form little balls out of the dough and evenly distribute, about 5 cm 2 inches, apart, on a cookie sheet lined with baking paper. Pro tip: I like to reserve a bit of the chopped chocolate to sprinkle on the top for presentation. 5. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until edges are lightly golden and the tops look set. Cool 1 minute on cooking sheet before transferring to cooling rack to cool completely. Enjoy! Notes: 1. If your coconut oil is liquid, chill in the fridge for a few minutes for it to solidify. 2. Reserve a small amount of the chopped chocolate to place on the cookies before baking for presentation. 3. Variations: feel free to add cinnamon or chopped nuts to this recipe if desired. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.